Okay, one of the things that you're going to be asked for in your homework is just to verify that two functions are inverse functions. So anytime they use the term verify, this is what you need to show. You need to show both that f of f inverse equals x and f inverse of f equals x. You need to show that the two functions undo each other. All right, so that means you're going to have to create composite functions. And again, you have to show that both of them are true. Some people automatically think that if you show one, that it proves that the other one is also true, and it's not the case. Not always. All right, so let's just say that they ask us to verify that f and g are inverses, and they give us those two functions. All right, so you're just going to do two composite functions. In this case, f of g, and then you're going to do g of f. And in both cases, when you do them, you should equal x. That's it, just x. So we'll start with f of g. That means we're going to take the g and plug it into the x that's in f. The 2's cancel. You got 5 over 5 over x. Multiplied by the reciprocal, you get x. Okay, and that's exactly what we need to show to verify that two functions are inverses. But now we have to do it the other way as well. We have to take g of f. We're taking the entire f function and plug it into the x's in g. All right, this one's a little more complicated. We need to multiply by the reciprocal in the denominator. It's going to give the x minus 2 on top. The 5's end up canceling. So you end up with x minus 2 plus 2, which is x. And that's what we need to establish. So anytime that you're asked to verify, that's all you're doing. We're going to do one more example. Okay, so we have same situation. In this case, f of x is 4x minus 1. G of x is x plus 1 over 4. Start with f of g. Okay, so we're taking x plus 1 over 4 and plugging it into the x in f. And all that happens is those 4's cancel each other out, leaving you with x plus 1 minus 1, which is just x, which is what we want. Now we're going to take g of f, we're going to take 4x minus 1 and plug it in for x in the g function. We have minus 1 plus 1, which gives us 4x over 4. 4's cancel, leaving with x. So we have therefore verified that those two functions, f and g, are in fact inverses. That's all it takes to verify that two things are inverses. Adios.